What's up, guys? It's me again, Spider-Man Sonic Hero slash Harry McCoy, the kitty cat. How are you guys doing today? Yep. I'm a kitty cat now. I have my shirt is Tom and Jerry, my favorite show, and my Christmas sweatshirt. Yep, I'm wearing cat ears. That is really my kitty cat mode. And the bottom I'm wearing some of these are reindeer of snow. And the video, I want to make a shout out video to I haven't done for a long time. His name is Rocko's Modern Life. Subscribe to his channel, you guys, and show him some love. Give this video a super thumbs up. And happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone. Yo! That's right. So, Rocko, I want to let you know, I really want to let Moonwalker Comedy know, hi. You know, he's doing fine, buddy. You know, I had to go to Japanese clan to do some CDs for kitty cat stuff. You're wondering, who are they? Well, let me move closer. These are my friends. They're Korean idols. They're my friends. This is the one right here. That's Bam Bam. And these are God7s, are my buddies. And yeah, I will keep supporting you, rockorama 2025. Or should I say, rockorama 2024. Or, no. I'm close. Oh! 2026. Yeah, I'll be keep supporting you, rockorama 2026. Yep. If you're watching, Rocko, thank you so much for all your love on my previous video for my buddy Alex. Fairy Tale, the Black Dino Thunder Power Ranger. Yeah. I hope you guys subscribe to his channel. I'll put a link down below the screen to his YouTube channel. And yeah. Hope you guys are stay tuned for new videos and more Power Ranger morphing sequence coming your way. And deuces. And if you want to see another video, click over here. If you want to see another cool video, click over here. As usual, I catch you guys on the flip side. Subscribe for new videos and stay tuned for new stuff. It's morphin' time! Go Hyperforce! Ha! Sushi Changer! Sushi this. King Kong! Kenzo!